sun is shining in the sky. I rise up to rub my eyes. My morning started kind of late, but it's okay, 'cause we gonna skate. Come on. There's only one thing inside my head. Oh, when I rise up in my bed, the one some close and cap the lid. Before I go, I'll wash of it. I call my friends up on the phone, but Lord, I hear some busy tone. But it's okay, 'cause it's not too cold or it's not too hot, so I'll just meet you at the spot where we be cruising. Grab your bottle, we can get a session, we be cruising. You got the bits of play, 'cause every day we bruising, we be cruising. Oh yeah, we just cruising. Oh yeah, you got the streets, so you got the park, skating through the daylight, even through the dark. Oh, don't be afraid, 'cause you gon' get yourself hurt. Just get back up and wipe the dirt off your shirt. Then you try until you get to right, and then you roll away, you roll it out to sight, and then you watch the footage just to reminisce. Wondering how the heck did I ever land this? We be cruising. Grab your bottle, we can get a session, we be cruising. You got the bits of play, 'cause every day we bruising, we be cruising. Oh yeah, we just cruising. Now the day's over and you're feeling kinda sore, and it hurts to even get in the car door. And now you're getting home in the early morning, then you wake up the next day to do it again. Oh yeah, we just cruising. Grab your bottle, we can get a session, we be cruising. You got the best of play, 'cause every